I've got bad news. Whatever it is, I didn't do it. Fluffy's missing. What? Fluffy ain't missing? Remember the geofence we set up with Bartun's Pet Tracker to alert us if Fluffy left the area? She left the area. She's missing. Fluffy? Earl, Fluffy's been taken by terrorists. Fluffy? Fluffy! I can't breathe. That hurt me more than it did you. Earl, remember, we have a Bartun GPS Pet Tracker on Fluffy, and we know exactly where she is.
The Bartun GPS Pet Tracker comes with all you see here, including a rechargeable battery.
Give me that GPS tracker.
Earl is using Bartun's real-time tracking to save Fluffy from the terrorists. It comes with a nice harness or collar.
Oh, it just got real, son.
It has historical tracking, so you can track where your where your pet has gone. The Bartun Pet Tracker is waterproof.
Spider! Ah! Spider! Yes! I hate spiders. Okay, according to this Bartun GPS Pet Tracker, we're almost on top of her. Just a few clicks this way.
As you can see, it's very fashionable.
We're stuck. We're at an impasse. I am not getting pricked for this. Ah, to hell with it. Gotta get moving. Sturdy. It's alright, I'm alright. I made it. Okay. According to the Bartun Pet Tracker, we're here. Fluffy. We don't want to awaken the terrorists. Fluffy, is that you? Fluffy? Fluffy, what have they done to you? What have they done to Fluffy? Those terrorists are gonna smoke a turd in hell for this one. I gotcha. Did they hurt you? Did they hurt you, Fluffy? Fluffy! Ow! 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 Fluffy! Fluffy's gone wild! Ow, you furry little freak! It's a lost cause. Fluffy's now one with the jungle. Whew. Yeah, you better stay in there, punk. Yeah, had to rip her a new one. Punk? Yeah. Ow! Bad Fluffy! Bad! Fluffy! Fluffy! Oh, you're gonna smoke a turd in hell for this one, Fluffy! Ow! You little bastard! Earl, you pansy. Alright guys, hope you ever enjoyed this review of the Bartun GPS Pet Tracker. Everybody should have one to protect your beloved pets. That's right. Ow. As I was saying, everyone should have one to protect your beloved pets. No one should be without one. Alright guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. That's not being very kind. Boop, boop. Ow. Ow. Let go, you little bastard.
Go buy it right now, or this dog will hunt you down. I mean, seriously, look at his eyes. They're the stuff nightmares are made of.